I know that from day one, I have stood ground and said that I am innocent. The judiciary system of this country is a system which will protect the rights of all Indian citizens on equal footing, on equal ground. I will fight the case. I don't know what kind of a case it will turn out to be. I myself will still learn. I'm still going to be learning as the sequences of events unfold. I will not like to comment further because there's very little to comment. It has taken me 9.5 years of painful, heartbreaking experiences. I have never expressed these feelings of remorse that I have inside me, but today I feel I should express them. 9.5 years of this constant batting and battered upon. To me, as a layman in this country, I feel that this is my great opportunity of being heard. I will be heard by the CBI, and I look at it as an opportunity where I will be able to take my stand on my own involvement in the entire education matter. The law of the land will stand supreme. Like any other citizen, I too will be conditioned to the same law. I am not above law. I am a law-abiding citizen. I will conform, I will cooperate, and if the situation arises, I too have a space to fight for my rights. Why has all of this happened just before the model code of conduct should be announced? It foxes me well. I don't want to say more. But I know that like any other Indian citizen in a democratic setup, I too will file my nomination, and I too will try my best to fight for the elections, to be able to serve the people. As an MLA in the last 3 elections that I have contested, I have given it my 100%. I love my people. It has been an honor to serve them. And I am praying that no forces will try to deny me of the right to file for my nominations. Because like every other citizen in this country, I too have a right to represent my people. I too have a right to contest. I am backed up by my party. I belong to a national party, a party whose leaders have all had to face this kind of allegations. I am not a loner in the Congress party to be branded and accused of being corrupt. The law of the land will prevail. I will take this as an opportunity to prove to all that I am innocent.
So you're saying that this is not going to work as a deterrent or anything?
When I look back at the 19 months that have passed by, I myself was a little surprised when I felt like there was an inner urge to start my campaign, to launch my campaign soon. I don't know why I did it. It was a divine intervention, I would believe. I launched my campaign 19 months ago. Today I am in phase 3 of my campaign. I'm confident that I have worked hard for the last 19 months. Not that I have been a lazy MLA. If you go and meet people from my constituency, you may ask them whether I have been able to serve them efficiently or not. I have launched my campaign 19 months ago, and as a premonition, as you may call it, I am ready to face any numbers of court visits I pretty much winded up I'm winding up my campaign. So I will have a lot of time to go to all the courts and to attend to all the inquiries that will be required without distracting me from my main campaign trail. I'll be launching my fourth phase of my campaign just round the bend of filing up nominations. I pray that the evil forces, my detractors, will get used to the fact that I'm here to stay. I'm going to be brave. Yes, I'm a woman, so what? If you're in a man's world and doing a man's job, you just have to be like a man. And I'm not afraid. I'm pretty confident.
Ma'am, but will this not affect you in the upcoming election?
I've just given you a long explanation as to how I feel it won't. I've started campaigning 19 months ago. I've worked 5 years round the clock. Now why would anything affect my campaign? People have faith in me. They will prove it once I'm able to file my nominations and once the results are announced. I'm not saying that I'm winning. I'm saying I'm fighting my elections.
Ma'am, I would just like to ask, because although BJP hasn't declared its candidate this now, no? But from what we learn from our sources, Wat is going up against you, and from all we understand, like he's going to be a tough competitor. So how do you see it? Do you see him as a threat?
You see, I have one policy ever since I've joined politics, active politics. My policy is very simple. Stop looking at what other people are doing. Do your own thing. Doesn't matter who the BJP, NDP, anybody brings, UDP, bring your candidates on. It's okay. That's what the election is all about. That's the joy of being in an election. To me, names don't matter. Doesn't matter to me.
Prior to this development, was there any pressure on you that you joined?
It is not a very correct thing. It's not the correct thing to do, to declare who has called you and who has not called you. I'm a congressman through and through. I'm not even going to say whether people have called or not called me. I don't like that kind of petty politics.
But was there any kind of indication?
I'm not even going to talk about it. A winning horse always has many offers. Leave it at that. But I have chosen the Congress, and I told you it's okay. Even if I sit in the opposition, I will operate as an active member in the political system. Whether I'm in government or in opposition, it's irrelevant to me. The needs of my people are my topmost priority, and I'm going to fight for the people's rights. I'm going to make sure that my constituency is going to be different every time I'm elected to office. I will try my best.
Ma'am, looking at the CBI findings, even though you were the education minister, I mean, you have been in the forefront of the name. But looking at the findings, there are even legislators who have even recommended that some candidates should be appointed. Don't you think that you have been victimized and
Single out,
been sidelined?
single out. Well, many of them have joined the Saffron Brigade.
The law of the land will prevail. I am not a court. I am not a judge. Let the courts take care of all these matters. I am in the helm of affairs. I was the education minister. Sequences of events unfolded the way they did. I will not respond to a legal query from the media through the media. If there is a legal query addressed to me, I will only reply to that query in the right forum, which is in the court. Over and above that, speculations can continue. Like I told you, this has been a painful agenda in my life for 9 years. I would have had 10 babies in 9 years, but this one child refuses to be born. I want to see. This is an opportunity for me to also say something. Because everybody's saying things about me, but I've never been asked to say something about myself. So I look at this as an opportunity, and believe me when I tell you, none of my colleagues have learned as much as I have learned about the legal system of this nation, and I find myself privileged. I have now become quite an expert in many aspects of law. So that again is a plus point to me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.